right hand, whatever. Put this on your chin.
I know you can't do this.
Okay, take this. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Put this on your chin. Okay, take this. Okay, put this on your chin. Take this. Sandeep, your hand is not shown. Very good. Put this on your chin.
Let's do a funny.
You're not getting it.
Let's do a funny.
You guys are not getting it. Take this.
Yeah.
Put this on your chin.
Oh yeah. I got it.
Sandeep, how do you pronounce TWI?
Why?
How do you pronounce TWE?
Tweet.
How do you pronounce TWA?
Wow.
How do you pronounce TWO?
Whoa.
How do you pronounce YES?
Yes.
Yes.
How do you pronounce EYES?
Huh?
EYES.
Yes.
How do you pronounce YES?
Yes.
How do you pronounce EYES?
Yes.
How do you pronounce YES?
Yes.
How do you pronounce EYES?
Yes. ಮತ್ತೆ
ತಡಿರೆ YES ಹೆಂಗೆ
Yes.
EYES.
Eyes.
30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
How many?
Didn't.
How many what?
Didn't. There are 30 cows in a field.
Zero.
There are 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Zero.
No, wrong answer. You're not listening. 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
28.
No.
2.
No. There are 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't? Okay, last time.
I don't know. I still stick with 28.
0.
There are 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens.
2.
How many didn't?
2.
There are 30 cows. There are 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
28 chickens.
How many didn't?
28 ಏನು?
28.
Oh, 28.
Oh.
How many didn't?
10.
Always. I have put a coin inside the bottle. If you look closely, you can see the coin. Okay? Floating in the water. Okay? Boom shakalaka. Hey, first ಇತ್ತಗಿರಿ.
ಅದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡೆ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ
ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. Check it out now. Okay, this is the bottle challenge. You are supposed to move the note or take the note without touching the bottle or flipping it over, making it fall. Our first participant is our YouTube star, Sandeep. Go for it. First attempt did not work. Take 2. Take 3. Try something else. You know that is not working. Nah,
It stood.
but it fell. Nope. Nope. Try something else. Nope. Try some other technique.
You try.
Now, second participant is our heroine. Go for it. ಬಿಸಿಯೋ ನೋ
ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗು.
ನೋ ನೋ
ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಳೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾರು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನೋ no touching it.
I'm not touching it. I'm holding it with my.
You're not supposed to touch it. You're not supposed to touch it.
Touching his hand.
You're not supposed. Okay, done. Do you give up? Do you have any other techniques apart from pulling it, flipping it, or whatever? Any other techniques you want to use? Nothing? Okay. Let me show it how it is done. I don't know if it will work, but this is my attempt, okay?
Third attempt.
First attempt.
Third participant.
Ah.
Our heroine's Joker.
Sandeep, check it out how I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Coming. You're touching it. It's touching your finger. Yes, it is touching.
See, it's not.
Wait.
Done. Did you
Okay.
see?
Yeah, I saw.
Third participant, second attempt. One more technique.
ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ತಿನ್ನು, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೇಕಾ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾ?
Ta-da! Okay. There is a water bottle under this towel. And there is water in it. And as you can see, there is a towel in it. Okay. The challenge is, I will do a magic trick. I will drink the water without touching the towel. Okay. Yeah, I have drank a little bit of water. If you can see the bottle, you will see a little water has reduced.
But you fill the water only little bit.
No,
Then it will spill.
no, like take the whole towel off. Okay. I drank the water without touching the towel.